Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First, we need to assign a hotkey to be able to take a screenshot. So, we need to open the menu. To do it, press and hold the up/menu button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it by swiping on the screen and find the system option. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, scroll through the system and find the option called hotkeys. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the list of hotkeys we can use. Find the hotkey or combination of keys you like. For example, let's say I want to use start plus up, so start plus up buttons to take a screenshot. So select start plus up. You can select whatever you like, but like I said, select the desired hotkey or key combination. Now scroll through the list of functions and find the screenshot. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. And now I can take a screenshot by pressing the start and up buttons together, like that. So now you can go to the screen you want to capture. For example, let's say I want to capture the home screen. Once you're on the screen you want to capture, press and hold the combination of keys you selected, and you will see the message screenshot taken, which means you took the screenshot. And if you want to access the screenshot, you need to plug your watch to the computer with this port. Basically, use the charging cable provided with your watch. You plug it to the computer, and once you plug the watch to the computer, you can open the folder on it, and there is a screenshot folder on your watch, and you can check the screenshots there. And that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.